From the Revit interface, I'm going to click New Family. I'm now presented with a very long list of template files. And when we come to start looking at families in more detail, we'll see that choosing the correct template is crucial in creating a family file. Pick the wrong one, and you could be in for making yourself a lot of extra work. So be prepared, be warned, and practice safe family planning. Once you have created your family, this family file is saved into your library with that file extension, .rfa, whether it's a door or any type of electrical or mechanical equipment. Its file extension is always .rfa. This can be opened like any other file and loaded into an open project. We will look at editing families in more detail later in this DVD.